1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I tell my mind.
What is up, YouTube? I am back with a vengeance. It's been about 2 weeks since I put out a video, and that's because of a couple of reasons. Well, actually, one of them is I have been up to a whole heck of a lot. One of which includes buying a new motorcycle, so I haven't actually ridden this bike in, hell, a month. Feels so little compared to the new guy. So, another thing is I set up a new vlogging setup, so I'm test riding it today. Let me know what you guys think. Gonna test out the audio, because two of the other reasons why it's been a while is, one, I was in, hands down, the closest I have ever come to an accident. Now, it was on the Ninja 250. I'm going to explain a little bit before I play the clip here what I did wrong and then what they did wrong. So what I did wrong is pretty simple if you're watching this. I made a big deal about the guy passing in front of me. You know, it was pretty close, but if I would have just started my braking then, I probably wouldn't have run into the second car who had pulled up unbeknownst to me behind him. So here's the clip. Check it out. Let me know what you think.
Magic moment, so different and so new, was like any other until I kiss you.
You fucking idiot. Having just watched that clip, what I did wrong was not finishing the worry that was that car passing in front of me, and not slowing down as much as I needed to do, and kind of not intentionally making it a close call, but closer than it needed to be. And then you end up with and then that other guy pops out of nowhere like some goddamn magic show, and I let my little dance, little pop right, pop left, and then what the fuck was that? So that is hands down the closest call I've ever been to getting into an accident. Now, I've had people kind of run me off into the shoulder and stuff like that, but that was pretty darn close. So more about this motorcycle trip. So I leave on Saturday. With my brother, and we head out to Deadwood for 3 or 4 days. So we're going to catch the very tail end of Sturgis. So what up to all my Sturgis brothers and sisters. I will be out there for the last 2 days of Sturgis. If you want to say what's up, I will be on my new bike. So I picked up a new bike that I haven't told you guys about yet, and I am ecstatic. I'm not riding it today because I'm getting new tires put on. But then, so ride around Sturgis, do the Black Hills dance, Badlands, all that, and then we're gonna hightail it on over.
Get out of this town!
Yeah, and go where? Where are we gonna go?
I'll tell you where. Someplace warm. A place where the beer flows like wine. Where beautiful women instinctively flock like the salmon of Capistrano. I'm talking about a little place called...
to Yellowstone and spend another 3 or 4 days there riding around. I can for one say I am ecstatic, and this sounds like a trip of a lifetime to me. And once we're done Yellowstone, you know, one of the things on my bucket list that I'm always working on is seeing Old Faithful. You know, maybe taking a little bath, maybe take a little shower action in Old Faithful. We'll see. And then I'm going to end in Utah and do a little family time. My nieces and nephews, take them around the mountains, maybe take them for a bike ride or two. But that will take me about 2 weeks. So expect a lot of videos. I'm pretty excited about that. I will play now again that almost crash video. Man, just watching it kind of makes me cringe, because like if I would have gotten in an accident, I would have been pissed at myself for not fully taking the precautions needed, because I probably could have stopped for the first car. You fucking idiot. God, I'm not sure they ever saw me. And he pulls out going about 5 miles an hour. So, Mr. Old Man, welcome to YouTube, bitches! So, until next time, you guys will... Likely my next video will be one of a couple of things. One, I'm rocking a new video, or a new, just a new helmet setup entirely right now. So I got a cheapo comms that I'm doing a review on, as well as this new angle. So I want to do that, and then I'm going to do a bike reveal here before I go on my trip, so you guys know what I'll be riding. If you guys know me pretty well and you watch this channel and you know my love for the Shadow and this variety of bike, it probably won't be a huge surprise. So that's my plan. Until then, peace, homies, and per usual, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, bing, if you want to see new content. Follow me on Instagram. I've been stuck at like 500 followers. I don't really put a whole lot behind it, but I'm trying to get some more content on there. Yeah, and I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, which is crazy. My goal was 1,000 in a year, and it looks like I'm gonna hit, but you never know.
Zone.